Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my beauty, skincare, and hair care favorites. It is the holiday season. There are tons of Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals coming up, but fortunately for you, Dermstore.com's Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale is already live as you are watching this video. They have some great skincare sets, hair care, grooming, beauty tools on sale up to 30% off. So I'll be going over some of my favorites, some items that I've used for years, some that I am interested in trying out, and some that I just think are a great value during the sale. So I'll include all the sale details and links in the description below. Now, starting off with hair care, this is the Olaplex Healthy Hair Essentials set. This is such a great value. This was also available during the recent Sephora VIB sale, but unfortunately these sets sell out so fast because, first of all, Olaplex is an amazing brand, but then the set itself is such a great value. Now, it's an $84 value, but it retails for $60, and it contains the number 4 and number 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner, the number 3 Hair Perfector that repairs and strengthens your hair, and the number 7 Bonding Oil, which I absolutely love. I love hair oils. My hair is so long. It's getting a little unruly. I really need a haircut. This definitely helps with split ends. It helps frizziness. It helps repair and strengthen my hair before my annual haircut, which is coming up soon. So if you can grab this while it is still available, I definitely recommend this one. Now, if you're not interested in the oil, there actually is another set that is a Dermstore exclusive. It's the Dermstore exclusive Olaplex Essentials Kit, and it contains just the number 3, number 4, number 5 shampoo, conditioner, and hair perfector, and that's $84, and they're full sizes. So again, that's a great value, and it will last you a while since they're the full sizes. Now, another kit that I think is a great value is the First Aid Beauty Skin Fortune Kit. It's a $95.50 value, but it retails for $54. So it's very similar to this set, which I'll show you, but it's a little different. So this is the All Signs Point to Fab kit. I think this was available at Ulta. Now they're very similar, but instead of the KP Body Eraser Body Scrub and the Eye Serum, the Beauty Skin Fortune Kit contains the Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. But everything else is the same. It has the facial cleanser, the Ultra Repair Cream, which I absolutely love, and the facial radiance pads, which are such an essential for glowing skin. Here's the Ultra Repair Cream. I've owned several tubs of this over the years. I slather this almost all over my body. It really does repair dry skin. I focus mostly on my elbows and my, knees and my ankles, but then I also put this around my eyes. Sometimes my skin will be really sensitive to eye makeup, and then my eyelid, like the actual eyelid, will be irritated and kind of dry and rough and patchy. So I just kind of dab this on my eyes, and it smooths it out. It smooths out the wrinkles. I love this stuff. This is a miracle cream. So yeah, that is the First Aid Beauty Skin Fortune Kit. Okay, now speaking of eyes, another great set is the Skin Iceland Wintervention Eye Essentials Kit. This retails for $40. The Skin Iceland's Wintervention Eye Essentials set has the Brightening Eye Serum, the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels, and the Dissolving Microneedle Eye Patches. These are the Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. I love these eye gels. I put them underneath my eyes. It shows you here kind of how to apply it. They go just underneath your eyes. I really like these because unlike the kind of cellulose material eye gels, if you know what I'm talking about, where they're clear, these are dry on the other side, so they don't get really slimy and they don't mess up, your other kind of eye makeup. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll put this under my eyes while I'm doing my eye makeup, especially if I'm doing a very heavy, an intense, like a dramatic eye look. I'll put this under my eye while I'm doing the top part, and then any fallout just, won't mess up the rest of my face. And then while I'm doing my eye makeup, the Hydro Cool Firming Gels will really cool down my under eyes and help it to not be, puffy. So generally, I like to wear eye patches or eye gels under my eyes as much as I can, but specifically I like these for when I'm doing my eye makeup for the day. So the Wintervention set includes this, and then I haven't tried their Brightening Eye Serum. That is a concern of mine. I have dark under eye circles, so I'm always looking for brightening creams. And then they have a Dissolving Microneedle Eye Patch, a set of powerful eye patches that target the signs of aging around the eyes. I've never done microneedling, but if you can get the effects of dissolving microneedling, as an eye patch, I'm definitely wanting to check that out. So I think that's a great set, and that retails for $40. Okay, moving on to the rest of skincare. There are a few sets by Caudalie, and I love Caudalie. It's one of my favorite skincare brands in general. They use a lot of grape and it's French and it just feels so fancy. I actually went to the Caudalie spa. One time I redeemed a Sephora, my Sephora beauty rewards, and I was able to go to the spa and I did an entire body scrub. I did a facial. It was amazing. I loved it. So I have an affinity for Caudalie. But they have this new set. It's the Caudalie Venosource Hydra Hydrating Essentials Christmas set. And this contains the Venosource Hydra Grape Water Gel Moisturizer, Venosource Hydra SOS Thirst Quenching Serum, and the Venosource Hydra Moisturizing Mask. Now, I've used their moisturizer. I love their Venosource in general. That line focuses on hydration. It really helps if you have dry skin, which I tend to have kind of dry skin during the winter. So that's a great set, and that's $42. Another Caudalie set is the Caudalie Resveratrol Lift Ultimate Firming Set, and it contains 3 pieces. That retails for $79. It has the firming eye gel cream, the firming cashmere cream, and the instant firming serum, which is this right here. So this is the Caudalie Resveratrol Instant Firming Serum. So if your skincare concern is aging or, just wanting to lift your skin, this really makes a difference with helping it to feel firmer and, I don't know, not as saggy. I can kind of feel my skin really bouncy after I use this. You can use this morning and night, but I really like to use this at night because after I use this, I feel that my skin is a little more firm and lifted. And then another great set they have is the Veno Perfect Dark Spot Brightening Set. It's a $117 value and it retails for $79 at Dermstore. This contains a Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting, Concentrated Brightening Glycolic Essence, and a Brightening Glycolic Overnight Cream. So if your concern is dark spots or, just uneven coloring, this helps to even out your skin tone and helps it to be a lot brighter. I like to use Caudalie products. I love the Veno Perfect line. I love their serum. This has the Veno Perfect Radiance Serum. It just smells so good. And I know that with skincare, you really shouldn't focus on smell, but it smells so good and so luxurious, and it helps with kind of, dark spots, whether it's acne scars or under eye circles. So if your concerns are all those things, which that's how I am concerned with dark spots, I'm concerned with anti-aging, I'll use kind of all these items together and kind of mix and match these sets. If you really want a glass skin, radiant, bright look on your face, the Dr. Dennis Gross Let It Glow set is probably the best for achieving that glassy, radiant looking skin. It retails for $147. But this set is $88 and it contains the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel, the Pore Perfecting Gel Cleanser, and the Alpha Beta Exfoliating Body Treatment. So it's for your entire body, not just your face. I've used the Daily Peel before and you feel an instant brightening on your skin if you do it before and after. So this contains 3 of those and it's just really easy. You just do it yourself. It's like getting a facial, but you're at home. And then the Exfoliating Body Treatment is for your entire body. Now I'll do like a cheat with that, if I'm wearing a sleeveless dress or something, I'll put the, like a Sol de Janeiro body highlighting cream, which is fine. It's just makeup for your body. But this is an exfoliating body treatment so that your skin is already glowing just on its own without any added makeup. Okay, let's get into beauty devices. So the Dr. Dennis Gross Pro Facial Steamer, I want to try. I don't own this one. Now, I mentioned before that I went to the Caudalie, spa and I did a whole body scrub and facial. That was the first time I had a facial and they used a facial steamer and, theirs was obviously like an industrial commercial grade facial steamer and it just was amazing. It felt amazing. My skin felt great. And when you use a steamer, it helps open up your pores so that the serums and the moisturizers absorb deeper into your skin. I'd never heard of this steamer before used for skin. And so I asked, the esthetician and she said, yeah, this is a facial steamer. It's great. You should, get one for home use. I immediately went home and I got one from Amazon, like a cheap one. It would steam and it worked, for steaming your skin. But then after a few months it broke and it just would sputter out boiling hot water instead of like a gentle steam. It would just like squirt out hot water. So I, had to get rid of it. But this is more professional grade facial steamer. The Dr. Dennis Gross Pro Facial Steamer, a professional facial steamer that hydrates the skin and clarifies complexion. So it's got amazing reviews and I can imagine that this will squirt out hot water at you. but I definitely want to try this. So let me know if you've tried this one. I would be interested in getting this during their Black Friday sale. Next, the Dr. Dennis Gross Mary Smooth and Bright set. This is a $593 value, and it's all bundled up together for $435. This has their Spectralite Facewear Pro mask, which already retails for $435, but then on top of that, you get the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel, which was part of that other kit, their Advanced Retinol and Ferulic Texture Renewal Serum, and the Advanced Retinol and Ferulic Triple Corrective Eye Serum. This is such a great value because the mask itself on its own is $435. Now, I don't own this mask yet. I did order it, so I will definitely follow up with my reviews about it. I know that you have to use it for several months even to see like a dramatic difference, but it uses anti-aging, red and blue light therapy to help smooth wrinkles and combat acne. I've researched this extensively. I've watched a ton of reviews. I've watched videos from, dermatologists, and my friends who own this swear by it. They say it's worth it. It's worth the money. So I went and ordered it. So I will definitely follow up. So if you were interested in the Dr. Dennis Gross Facewear LED mask, I definitely recommend this kit because then you get all these other extras with it. But yeah, people say that they have a smoother complexion, a brighter complexion. It's a noticeable improvement with their fine lines and wrinkles. I can't wait to try it. So if you're interested in that set, I definitely recommend this kit. Now, if you want something to help smooth your skin, but maybe you don't want to shell out for an LED face mask, I definitely recommend the PMD Personal Microdome Pro. I own this one in the blush color. This is it right here. But then what you do is you turn this on, and then you kind of just like work this tip over your skin just to smooth out your complexion. And after you use it, my skin is like baby soft. It is so soft. It comes with other tips. It kind of increases in its, I guess, roughness, depending on what you're working on. They also have, versions for the body with like bigger discs. So depending on how deep of an exfoliation you want, they have different caps with kind of increasing ranges of exfoliation. It just works so well. I don't use this every day. I don't recommend using it every day, but definitely at least once a week. When I first got this, I was using it like 2 or 3 times a week, and my skin was still okay with it. You can mix and match the settings. This is it in the blush, but it comes in other colors. If you have sensitive skin, they have lower speeds and more gentle exfoliating discs. But this is usually $199, I believe, and then it's on sale for 30% off during the Dermstore sale. So those are just some of my favorites that you can pick up during the Dermstore Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. I will include more in the description below, but I didn't want this video to be too long. So let me know, what are your favorite beauty, skincare, hair care favorites? Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.